Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to fix games keep on crashing on your PC running at Windows 11 or 10. Let's start by launching the command prompt on your computer. Click the search bar icon below and type CMD. Click on the Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the pop-up window. Now in here, type this command, then click Enter. Wait for it to finish scanning the system. And if there's any problem or errors, it will automatically fix it. When it's done, restart your computer. After restarting your computer, open the Settings app on your computer. And in the Settings app, click System. Navigate to the Power options and then open it. Click Additional Power Settings. Then click the High Performance or Best Performance to prioritize performance but uses more energy. After doing that, close the windows and right-click on the Start logo or the Windows logo below. Now click Run and type this in. Then click OK. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced section. Under the Performance, click Settings. Now under the Visual Effects, choose Adjust for Best Performance and click Apply below. This should be able to fix the error or problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.